Do you know that the source within you never stops loving you no matter where you are? Do you know that the source within you never stops loving you no matter where you are? Your source adores you profoundly. Your source finds you magnificent. Your source adores your body. Your source loves being in your body. We want more than all other things put together. We want for you, more important than everything else that we've said to you here or to anyone ever. We want for you to be able to look in the mirror and like what you see. We want you to like what you see because you are a being in the state of evolving. We want you to look in the mirror and we want you to see the source shining back from you, from your eyes. We want you to see the trillions of cells in your body that are all perfect in their response to whatever it is that you are about. We want you to see this magnificent physical apparatus. We want you to adore the functioning of your brain process and the functioning of the way your body is working. We want you to see so much more to look in that mirror and see and adore than there is to see and not like so much. You've just got to train yourself to like what you see. You must like yourself. You must like what you see before you can turn downstream toward everything that's in your vibrational escrow, which includes the body you want, which includes the relationships you want, which includes the dynamic dollars that you want, which includes the love of life and adventure of this planet that you want. You see, it's all there for you. But you can't get there from there. You got to change the way you see yourself. You got to look in the mirror as you are and like what you see, and then what you see will change. You got to look in the mirror as you are and like what you see, and then what you see will change. It's not easy to let go of this. It's not easy to stop being hard on yourself because you learned how to be hard on yourself as you compared yourself to too many other things. But when you simply begin comparing yourself with your own heart's desire, then it's just between you and you. Then it's just between you and you. Then it's just between you and you. You got to make peace with where you are. Making peace with where you are. Oh, it is so delicious to begin making peace with where you are. I am where I am. Where I am is where I am. And it's all right where I am. And there's no wrongdoing here. I'm all right where I am. It's okay where I am. Where I am is where I am. And it's enough. Where I am is enough. Where I am is enough. We want you to make peace with everything that's happening in your life in an attitude of, I am where I am and I'm doing pretty darn good and I'm pleased with how far I've come and I'm doing better and it's getting clearer and I know more today than I did yesterday, and now I know I am an eternal being in a way I didn't know before, and I have this clear picture that I am a source energy, and now I understand this stream that I'm being called toward. I now understand my emotions completely in ways I've never known before. I now can quantify every journey because I can tell which way's moving toward improvement and which way's moving away from it. I now get it in ways that I never got it before. This is fun. This process of becoming is fun. I'm understanding this business of creation better now than I ever have before. I'm seeing evidence of it in many aspects of my life. I can generally feel the improvement of the well-being of my body. I am feeling less tension in my being. I do have a sense that there is a vibrational escrow of me, a picture of me in wellness. I can feel that I can make my way there. Doesn't matter how long it takes, now I'm on to it. I'm getting the hang of this. I feel the inspiration every now and again. I very much appreciate my body. It's been serving me extremely well. There's so many aspects about me that I really appreciate. I like the hardiness of my body. I like the stamina of my body. I love being in this body. I love the tactile deciphering of life through this body. I love the physical nature of this time-space reality. I appreciate so much being focused here. I can feel the source within me pouring through my body at times like this. I can feel the cells of my body tuning up to my appreciation of it. I can feel that here and now, there's no resistance in my being. I have a sense if I could feel like this more of the time, I'd find the alignment in manifestation. I'm looking forward to that. It doesn't matter that it hasn't come yet, it's coming. I like the feeling of it coming. I like getting a handle on this. I can feel that I know what I'm doing. I can feel that I'm tuned into this. I can feel the inspiration beginning to flow. I like the idea of this. What fun this is going to be for me. How fun to watch my body conform to the image that I have of it. This is a ride I'm really excited about taking. I'm happy about where I am and eager about where I'm going. Things are good for me, you see. It gets easier and easier. All you got to do is chill out. Chill out. Let it go. Let go of control. Chill out. Let it be. Trust. Know that all is well. Know it's over there. Know you've done your work. Know that contrast has served you. Know that you came with purpose. Know that you're getting it right. Know that it's working out the way it should. Know that the contrast is serving you. Know that you're giving birth to desire. Know that source is on it. Know that law of attraction is consistent. Know that your guidance system always works. Know that your guidance system is giving you a true reading every time. Know that feeling good is the answer. Know that feeling good is what you're reaching for. Know that feeling good is the work. 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 Any excuse in the world that you can find to feel good. And so what we're wanting you to do is to begin to try to see yourself through the eyes of Source, which is never critical. So what we're saying to you is, as you stand in your now, the manifestation gives you information that you can now use as your indicator to move from. And that should surpass everything that you've ever heard before, because that is the leading edge statement in specific response to where you are. Here you are, pure and naked under the universe, saying, this is who I now am. This is a ride I'm really excited about taking. I'm happy about where I am and eager about where I'm going. Things are good for me. I'm on my way to where I want to be. I'm back on my path. Nothing's wrong here. I love my body. This is a magnificent body. I wouldn't trade this body for anything. I'm exhilarated about this body. This body is a representation of my thoughts, and my thoughts have changed right before my eyes. I'm exhilarated about this body. This body will do anything I wanted to do. Body, continue to be healthy, continue to be happy, continue to be hearty. Body, I love you. I love you so much. Thank you for being here for me. I love being in this body. You are a magnificent body, and now your inner being is pulsing within you fully, you see? You feel empowered, don't you? Can't you feel the alignment of your being? Don't you know that there is nothing that you cannot be or do or have? Aren't you excited about having something to work toward? Isn't it exhilarating to be where you are? Don't you love your body and know that you can morph it into whatever you want it to be? Isn't it going to be fun to watch the vibrational indicator continue to shift as the vibration of your being shifts? And isn't it perfect that your body is exactly where your vibration is about it? And isn't it exhilarating to know that this will be a perfect opportunity for you to shift vibration and then get the indicator that shows it, and shift vibration and get the indicator that shows it? Don't you just love this responsive universe that you live in? Don't you love being the creator of your experience? Isn't it delicious to have the resources of the universe at your fingertips? Have fun with this. We make way too much of this. Life is supposed to be fun. And so what we're wanting you to do is to begin to try to see yourself through the eyes of Source. Your Source adores you profoundly. Your Source adores your body. Your Source loves being in your body. There is great love here for you.